Hello everyone, this is Miah from Pknergy. We specialize in custom lithium battery solutions. Many thermal imaging devices still rely on disposable batteries, but these have very clear disadvantages such as high replacement costs, short runtime, and environmental impact. Recently, Pknergy was approached by a leading US thermal imaging manufacturer looking for a better power solution. Our answer: Rechargeable INR 1865 batteries with flexible capacity from 1.2 Ah up to 4 Ah, designed to replace traditional disposable cells. We also provide full customization from single-cell packs with protection boards to LiPo soft pack alternatives tailored for special designs. Want to see more real-world cases? Follow Pknergy, powering your innovation.